May we request our city officials to come forward for the presentation of our certificates to our awardees. First, the City Government of Baguio through Resolution Number...
Hindi makasarili kundi para sa mas nakararami. Tatahakin ko ang landas tungo sa isang bagong Pilipinas.
Pesos left behind by a passenger on January 20, 2026. Despite personal challenges, Mr. Gagdi ensured the money was safely returned to its rightful owner and has consistently demonstrated the same integrity in past instances. His actions inspire fellow drivers and residents alike, serving as a lasting example of civic responsibility and the positive impact of simple acts of goodness.
Issued on December 13, 1999. The Presidential Award is conferred
26 at Baguio City Hall, Philippines, signed by our beloved Mayor Benjamin Macalan and
in Luke chapter 11, verse 1, they said, Lord, teach us how to pray. Tulungan mo kami, Panginoon. Turuan mo kami, Panginoon, kung paano magdasal. Why prayer? Bakit prayer yung requests nila? Because the power was not in the miracles. The power was in the relationship with God. Jesus